Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland. You see before you a 12 by 16 or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, which I have put some white paint down as a base. I'm going to do a kiss pour, but this is my first go at using Fluro Paints. I have orange, green, yellow along with white and a little bit of black just for contrast. So I'm a bit wary of putting the black with the fluoros, as it seems to consume the fluoros, but just a tad in the cups might be quite nice and be a bit of a contrast. So this is how we're doing it. And white. Orange, white, and a little bit of yellow, really bright, smidgen of black, a little bit more yellow, some white. Looking very pretty. And orange. And there's one, which I'll just put here. And number two. Might not have enough white, goodness. Okay, so here we go. We've got green. White, yellow. What did I put between that? Oh, a bit of black. Okay, here's hoping. Oh, that white's looking a bit scary. Let me scrape it out. Okay, just enough, I think. Now I did put silicone in the fluoros, but that's it. Got a little bit more in this one than this one, but it'll be good. You know, I might do that. That one and that. So here's hoping. Here we go. Oh, pretty, pretty, pretty. I'm just going to let it roll around a little bit. Take it off that corner. A lot of green. that is certainly not what I was expecting, but here we go. What to do with it? Ugh, I don't even like it. Certainly is bright though. I just want my hands, and there's not much I can do with that one, I don't think. So I'm going to put the rest of these colours that are left on, and yeah, I'm going to swipe that. You never know what you're going to get with these paintings, but I don't like this one. Just okay, there's some green. That should break up the colours. There's a little bit left in here. And I might swipe with the black, I think. Right, black. Let's do a little centre one. Okay, cloth. Still hope for this one. Let's see. Oh yes. Just rinse this out. And it's looking good. Like the lines. I'm just going to torch it and see what happens. I'm glad I did that. well I'll be. Look at that. Wee-hee. That is absolutely beautiful. Who would have thought? And hopefully those cells will keep growing. Yes, I'm very happy. So I'll bring you down to have a look at this one, and it's actually given me an idea for another one that I think I might do in a second or three. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look. The recipes and the names of these paints you will find under Show More, along with the recipe for the pouring medium. And pretty good, nice cells. And there's also a link there to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming, and you're more than welcome to come and join us over there. This is really pretty. Nice and bright. The centre's rather nice. Alright, so I really hope that you've enjoyed this, and please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified when I do more videos. And if you would like to donate to keep this channel going, you'll find my PayPal, PayMe link just down below as well. So thank you very much. Please give it the thumbs up. I'll catch you in the next one, or over in Australia Art Dreaming. Bye for now.